Yes, this is your boy Hugh at Hugh's Journey. Welcome again. Today, I'm gonna be making some cucumber juice, and I've already have half of them out. Well, I peeled this and I just went back to the store to get some more because so I took the cucumber, good old ginger, and that's basically it. Just with sugar to taste, and I don't like much sugar. All right. Let me get my juice extractor ready. This thing is gonna be loud, very, very loud. Okay, that was just a precursor, man. Here I go with the remainder. Okay, I'm gonna peel them in sync, but it's not like I'm gonna let the peeling drop down in there. And yes, I did it once and just wash it and you can do it to the skin, and that baby was bitter. It tastes nasty. It took all the flavor of it. Somebody let me know what is your favorite natural drink. Yes, help your boy grow this channel. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Help me get to 100 subscribers. Just 100 for right now. That's my short-term goal. So, what kind of drink you guys make? I make cucumber drink. Some people make watermelon drink. All kind of stuff. If you can eat it, you can drink it. Yeah. If you can eat it, you can drink it. I don't know if they can make. If anybody make yam juice, yam drink. Or yam punch, what would you call that? Yeah, but share with me your unique drink, and trust me, I'll try it. Like me, right now, I'm using 6 average size cucumber, and I like ginger, so I'm going to be using about a half a pound of ginger. Yeah, maybe about half a pound. Well, here's the ginger that I'm gonna be using. For some reason, it kind of look like a lot, so I'm gonna cut back initially and use these 2 pieces. I bought it, but to tell the truth, I have no idea what the weight of it was. I just assumed that it was about a half a pound. It's amazing how, as a child, most of us want to grow up and to get away from our parents. But when we grow up and the parents are gone, or we're just away from them, sometimes we just want to be by mama, and tell the truth, the relationship with my mother and I growing up as a child wasn't the best, for reasons that I believe, was so. I don't know if it was really so, but at the time it appears to be a certain way or a certain reason why. And I'm not going to go into that. It's just a little bit too personal, and then all respect to mama. Mama taught us a lot. Yeah, maybe I should name my channel Mama's Boy. I'm not afraid or ashamed or embarrassed or in anything to be called Mama's Boy. I never was a Mama's Boy, you know, but I don't care. But I look at everything that I have as a blessing from God. Nothing come by chance. Yeah, and some people might say, oh, God didn't work for you. They did. But I won't even get to that kind of conversation. Because without God, then we're just nothing. You know, some people believe in evolution. I don't know. If evolution was real, then how would everything start? And don't tell me about no Big Bang. It got to start somewhere. Got to start somewhere. By somebody, some entity. If evolution was real, why is it we don't still see people evolving? We don't see monkeys transforming into human beings. No monkeys, no apes. Nothing is transforming. Nothing. So how can evolution be real? Why would evolution just stop and then people reproduce after its own kind or their own kind? Or everything, in fact, reproduces after its own kind. Time for the taste test. I wish somebody could join me in this. But wait for it. Wait for it. Wow. I think for me personal, it's a little bit too sweet. But that's what ice is for. I don't like sweet things. Well, I do like sweet things. But sweet things just doesn't like me. So I try to stay away from as much sugar products as possible. Although I bake you a very mean Jamaican Christmas rum cake. Yes. This is good. It's good. Cheers. Like, share, subscribe. Please help a brother grow a channel. And remember, if you don't change anything, nothing will change. Let's create some